Hi, and welcome to another week's Tips for AI Trailblazers. I'm Kathleen Purley, your host and founder of Demystify. This week, we're going to be focusing on how to utilize a new feature that just came out from OpenAI called OpenAI Tasks. This really is a first step from OpenAI that we're seeing that really helps us kind of see how they approach their idea of what agents might look like. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my screen here. All right. So when you log in, you'll see I'm in ChatGPT right now, and this was released last week, and I will tell you it has shifted locations even in that short period of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where you might have seen it initially if you're paying up to date with this, and that is in this tasks things here. So if you go to tasks, you can see all the different tasks that you have isolated here. Let me move this out of the way for everybody. So you can see that I have three tasks right now. One is to check for the web health of our website, and to send me an email every morning to ask about what I have on my calendar, what things are coming up, all the to-dos, so that I can easily kind of develop a schedule to help me stay on track. So this is where you can kind of view all of your tasks that you've set up. You can edit them. So you can name the name, you can add some custom instructions. And you can kind of change the schedule. So you can have this repeat daily, doesn't repeat weekly, monthly, anything of that nature. So it makes it really easy to do. You also have the ability to set the time. One thing that I really like about this is it's really easy. You can see here I actually have two of the same, so I'm just going to delete one of them. And you also have the ability to pause them. So initially when this was launched, this is where you got access to building your new tasks. But now you kind of you access it through as if you were utilizing a different type of model. So we'll go to a new chat. You see this drop down and you'll see 4.0 with scheduled tasks. It's still in beta. And this really is this idea of you actually kind of setting and creating an automated prompt that automatically triggers to custom GPTs and then sends you a notification. When you're first setting this up, it'll ask you if they're allowed to notify you or enable notifications for this platform. So one of the simple ones I think is really useful is if, let's say, we wanted to learn a new AI tip to help us improve our skills every day, we could say, help me, I want to create a task. I want to create a task that enables me to use AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. I want every you to provide me a quick tip that allows me to enhance my learning efficiency as we'll just say a business leader in the tech space. Just disregard all my typos. Luckily, ChatGPT does not care. So when we press send, and then it'll kind of reframe it into a better prompt. And on this one, it's telling us that includes the key problem, the desired outcome, and any constraints or context. For example, instead of asking, how can I improve my product design? What are 3 innovative strategies to improve product designs? Yes, absolutely. But I want to make sure that it teaches me how to use AI in the process. So it might modify it a little bit. So this is improve use of AI tools. It is going to kind of change and modify that a little bit. And then we have the ability to schedule it weekly, Monday at 9 a.m. If I wanted this daily, just simply change that to daily at, let's just say, a lunch. So we can do that. And then you want to turn on desktop notifications. So if we say allow, this will kind of pop up. It also comes through on your inbox. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if we go to our inbox here, you can see here, this is a custom task that I set up that allows me to identify and kind of work on the health of our website. So checking for broken links, checking to see if there are any issues on the site that may be having an issue from a user experience standpoint. So rather than having a expensive subscription to some of these different services, I'm now using AI to go visit the site every day and customize it. So this is the email I get every morning at 9 a.m. that gives me an update. If there was a issue or a broken link, it actually would let me know what the link is and on what page I would find it. So hope this helps as we look at tasks to help kind of create these personalized agents in a way. This is kind of that first step to helping us kind of leverage them so that we can focus on the bigger tasks at hand. Stay tuned for more tips for AI trailblazers as we continue.